Good morning, everybody. Well, this is it's the start of the work week, I guess, with you guys. All right, I'm waiting for roadside assistance to come out and get my truck a jump. My batteries are, the volts is at 10.2. Yeah, my batteries are low, truck won't start, so I called it in an hour ago, waiting for them to get somebody to come out and jump me. They're supposed to call me, let me know when NETA. So yeah, I'm still here at the Pilot here in Tucson. Yeah, my batteries is low. Ever since they put that smart idle stuff in this truck here, it's been having a hard time starting. I went through several batteries ever since then. But yeah, this time the batteries are at 10. Yeah, this is a culprit. When I installed that, I've been having all kinds of electrical problems. And it's supposed to start the truck for increments of time. But on this truck here, it acts like it want to start, and then it doesn't start like it's supposed to. I told the shop about that numerous times, but it is what it is. But yeah, I mean, it makes no difference to me. I'm still here in Tucson, so yeah, it's the batteries. As you guys can hear, I got all kind of alarms and stuff beeping. Stuff. That sound is the panic alarm. Yeah, so as soon as I got back to the truck, it was doing that already. I mean, this is not the first time like I said, it's not the first time that I've had issues with this little system that they put inside the trucks, inside the fleet. It's not the first time, but this time my batteries are at 10. So yeah, it's panicking because it needs a jump. As you guys can see, there's no key in there. But yeah, and the truck, once it's, it tries to start with the smart idle, even without the key in there. And like I said, it doesn't work. I mean, they put it in. Ever since then, I've been having electrical problems, and the system, the smart idle, is not working like they hope it to work, to reserve, to help with the fuel, with the fuel usage of the trucks. But I'm just driving. I told the shop numerous times, hey, the smart idle is not working like you guys put it in there to do, not in this truck, and several other trucks. Oh, well, hell, that's them, that's upper management. So here's the repercussion. The outcast is the drivers, we suffer. So there I am suffering, but like I said, I'm not really suffering because I'm still home. But I'm supposed to backtrack, go all the way up to northern Arizona, well, up towards the Phoenix area, the Mesa, to pick up a load. That's 2.5 hours from here. I mean, I'm down where all the freight comes out of Arizona at, but so for some strange reason, I had to backtrack and go all the way back up to northern Arizona to pick up a load that's delivering in Aurora. But more than likely that ain't happening. I won't get there on time. I already told them that. So yeah, there you guys have it. So welcome back. Funny start of the work week. After coming off home time, which is never on time, but there you guys have it. So keep you guys in the loop on that. Let you guys know how it prevails later. It sucks.